This one level literally determines the long-term fate for not only silver, but gold as well. It is the proverbial line in the sand that will determine whether or not silver is going to go to $135 or if it's going down to $57, and whether gold is going to go to $6,000 or more, or if it's going back to 4K. Now, I'm going to outline that exact level in this video, and if you are not familiar with who I am, my name is Drew Wolfer. I am a pro trader and I am the head trader and founder of Nordic Alpha. Now, inside of Nordic Alpha, we are prepared for this level. We're prepared long in advance. The question is whether you're prepared. And if you want to be prepared for these levels and you want my daily analysis and my daily trade setups and ideas, and you want my 91.5% win rate to work for you inside of the metals markets, get inside of Nordic Alpha. It's $29 a month. It's less than $1 a day. It will go up in pricing in 2026. And we do offer discounts for, I believe, 3, 6, and 12-month memberships right now. We won't offer discounts forever. So get in where you fit in and let's talk about this key level on gold and silver. Bad news on silver. We're in a downtrend on the daily, the 12-hour, the 4-hour, and the 1-hour chart as of Friday, okay? Now, we closed a daily candle, a 12-hour candle, a 4 and a 1-hour candle under the previous lows, which then shifted us to a downtrend. The proverbial line in the sand, $71.20. Now, you're probably wondering, why does that level matter so much? If you know anything about me and you know what I teach and how I trade, I teach smart money concepts. This is basic market structure, okay? So the 1-hour, the 12-hour, the 4-hour, and the 1-day charts all have the same exact low, and they are all right there at $71.20. If we were to lose this level, your 1-week market structure is all the way down at $45.50. That is your 1-week market structure low that you would have to bounce from in order to stay in an uptrend from a weekly time frames perspective. I'm not saying that we are guaranteed to be going down to $45. There are 2 places that we would go if we were to lose this level, and I'm gonna outline those places for you right here. The first place is going to be right here from about $64 to right around $60, okay? Then your second level is going to be from $60 to about $57. But if we were to lose either of these 2 levels or both of these levels, you would likely be coming down to the prior double top right at about $54 on silver. Now, what happens though if we uphold this level and we start to pump up? Well, that's where things get decent and they get good. And I'll give you the targets. We must close a 1-hour candle above $104 in order to shift the 1-hour structure back to an uptrend. Now, we have a lot more work to do from the 1-day, the 12-hour, and the 4 hours perspective, where we have to close a candle above $121.78.5 in order to shift the 4-hour, the 12-hour, and the 1-day charts back to an uptrend, okay? As you can see over here, I have all this marked out, right? If that were to happen, and we were to get above this, and then get above this, where are we likely to go? That's where I pull out my range deviation tool, and I give you my ranges, okay? So this last leg of structure up, if you are to look at where we double topped, because now we have lost that double top. This is our old double top right here at about $83. We lost that. So you're going to have some pretty decent resistance here at about $84. Then you're going to have resistance at that 1-hour market structure shift at $104. And then you're going to have resistance right up here at the all-time highs, right? Obviously, there's a couple of other resistances in between there, here and there, but you know, for all intents and purposes, those are going to be your massive resistances. If we were to break up above here, we're likely to come to about 134 to 138, and then if you were to uphold those previous all-time highs after that, and then start pumping, your targets are $151 to $160 on silver. Okay, now, if we were to break down from here, look at how well that $57 to $60 range lines up with my deviation zone number 1, right? What's my deviation zone? Well, I'm not going to tell you that for free on a YouTube video, but just know that if you are inside of Nordic Alpha, you see these deviation zones being used every single day, and they hold up extremely well. Now, if you were to break down from this deviation zone, look at where your next one is. All the way down here, $35 to $42. I don't think we're going down there, but anything is possible. Let's talk about gold now, though, because the line in the sand on gold is very similar, but gold is a little bit stronger right now. Your absolute line in the sand is $4,423. That is where your 1 hour, your 4 hour, your 12 hour, and your 1 day lows all coincide. That is the level of levels, just like it is on silver, the $71.20 level. That is the level of levels. And as you can see, gold actually bounced from that level and then regained the prior resistance, which used to be your all-time high. Then you use that all-time high as support, and then now you are back up above it all over again. So in my opinion, you have to hold 44.23, and if you don't, you are likely to come down here to about $4,000. Now, what happens? Because gold actually has an easier leg up. It has an easier path to all-time highs than silver does, because gold only has the 1 hour and the 4 hour chart in a downtrend right now. Those are the only charts that flipped. The 12 hour and the 1 day, they both had a swing failure pattern at the lows and then pushed back up right here, which is actually incredibly bullish for gold, okay? So what do you have to do? You have to break $4,971 with a 1 hour candle close in order to start legging your way up. You're going to get a little bit more resistance here at $5,100, and then you're going to get a little bit more resistance here from about $53.50 to about $52.50. And if you want to know what those resistances are and why they are resistances, again, you have to get inside of Nordic Alpha, because that's where I give out all of my trade setups, all of my, high-level technical analysis, and I'm not going to give that to you for free in a YouTube video, but I'm more than happy to tell you where those resistances are. Now, in order for us to get bullish on every other chart and continue this uptrend, we need to see the 4 hour close above the all-time high of $5,626. Now, if we were to do that, where could we see ourselves going? And again, that comes right back to my ranges and my deviation tool, okay? So if you look at this last leg of structure up, what you can see is that if you were to break down from this level, you're likely to come down here to $3,950 to $3,800. Now, I don't think we're probably gonna hit $3,800. You have your 1 week market structure lows right here, so you're probably gonna hit somewhere in between the $39,000 to $4,000 range, and then catch a potential bounce after that. But where could we be going if we break the all-time highs? First deviation zone is right there at $5,960 to $6,100. And then second from that, you've got $6,500 to $6,700. If you were to get up here, reject, and then take the old all-time highs, use them as support, it's likely that you come back up here to about $6,700. Hopefully that is helpful to you. If that is helpful to you, man, all I ask, make sure you smash the like button, make sure you hit subscribe, and then boom, baby, bang on that notification bell so you never miss analysis like this ever again. If you want the actionable insights, the trade setups that we're giving out, because we are prepared for these levels, okay? All of those levels that I just laid out and more, we're prepared for those inside of Nordic Alpha. If you want to be prepared to, come join us. $29 a month, less than $1 a day right now. Going to go up in price inside of 2026, guaranteed. And I am offering 3, 6, and 12-month discounts as it sits right now. Probably won't offer discounts forever, but just get in where you fit in, and I appreciate you so much for showing up to the video. Everybody have a wonderful day. I will keep you apprised of the situation. I've got some banger content coming out this week on the manipulation and suppression of silver. Make sure you pay attention for that. I will see you all soon.